Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel DIY Natural Skincare. So today, super short video about just a few different benefits about the Candelilla Wax and about Carnauba Wax. So let's dig in. Carnauba Wax, also called Brazilian wax or palm wax, which comes from palm trees based in Brazil. It is available from very dark, intensive yellow color to light beige color. It's super hard wax with high melting point, being between 80 and 86 degrees Celsius. Carnauba imparts hardness and thickness and reduces stickiness in your cosmetics. It is often applied in mascara as a volumizing agent, vegan alternative to a beeswax, a good choice for hotter climates, and a substitution to Carnauba Wax would be a Candelilla Wax, which we'll talk just in a moment. And Carnauba Wax gives to your products smooth application and glossy finish. Dosage between 1 and 20%. Candelilla Wax, it's a hard plant-based wax from the leaves of the Candelilla shrubs. It is a natural thickener, just like beeswax, and it is perfect vegan substitution to beeswax. It is denser than a beeswax, so you would need less of it in your formulations. It is considered a hard wax, which its melting point is between 68 and 73 degrees Celsius. It does give excellent oil binding properties and a glossy look to lip products. It does create an elusive layer on your skin. Substitution to Candelilla Wax is Carnauba Wax. In general, it is a cosmetic astringent, emulsifier and stabilizer, and skin conditioning ingredient that is odorless, and it is rich in nutrients. Dosage between 1 and 30%. Well, so as you see, these two waxes are very similar. They are both plant-based waxes. So if you're looking for a substitution to beeswax, probably the Candelilla Wax will be better in this case, because Candelilla Wax and beeswax has a similar melting point. Of course, you will need Candelilla Wax a bit of less, and Carnauba Wax usually is used and mixed with another waxes, because it's a very hard wax. It's the hardest wax, and it gives more thickeners to your cosmetics. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you next week. Bye.